Today we will find the various physical quantities are velocity, acceleration, area element and volume element in plane polar system, as I have discussed in the previous lecture. So, first of all, what is position vector? We know that position vector in plane polar system is r. This is x axis, y axis, and this P point angle is theta. So, OP is r, that is vector OP is equal to vector r. So, we may write this r vector as r into r cap, that is magnitude r and unit vector r cap. And second one is velocity. So, velocity, we know that velocity is the rate of change of position vector or displacement. So, putting the value of r here, we will get r into r cap. I have put the value of this r vector from here. So, we get this result. Now, taking derivative of two variables, as you know, it is the formula for two variables, that is the derivative of first quantity into second as it is plus first as it is into derivative of second quantity. For simplicity, we may write this dr upon dt is r dot into r cap. This one I have written, this dr upon dt is r dot and this r into r cap dot, because the derivative of this r cap dot. So, this is formula for velocity, equation number 1. Now, we have to solve the value for this r cap dot, that is the derivative of a unit vector. So, we can solve this formula by using the formula of r cap, which we have studied in the previous lecture, that is r cap is equal to cos theta I plus sin theta j. Now, we have to find r cap dot, dot means first derivative. So, taking derivative on both sides with respect to t, because dot means derivative with respect to time t. So, when we take the derivative of this equation on both sides, we will get dr cap upon dt is okay, and d dt of cos theta I cap plus d dt of sin theta j cap. So, this is derivative with respect to t on both sides. Now, further we will solve this derivative by using trigonometric formulae. We know that derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta into d theta upon dt, because here is theta is a variable, but in derivative the variable should be t. So, it is d theta upon dt and I is constant. So, is it clear? Cos theta derivative means minus sin theta and d theta upon dt into I cap. Similarly, plus sin theta, so derivative of sin theta is cos theta and derivative of theta with t into j cap, and on the right hand side, left hand side, it is r cap dot. So, we may write this as r cap dot. Now, it may be written as sin theta into theta dot I cap, because d theta upon dt can be written as theta dot and cos theta into again theta dot. This is again theta dot and j cap. So, further we will take common theta dot from both terms and we will get minus sin theta into I cap plus cos theta into j cap. Is it clear? On taking common theta dot, we will get this answer. We know that this answer is, it is theta cap. It is theta dot into theta cap. Since we have studied theta cap is equal to minus sin theta into I plus cos theta into j. So, r cap dot, the derivative of unit vector r cap is equal to theta dot and theta cap. This is equation number 2. Now, we will put the value of r cap dot in first equation. So, what is first equation? So, putting equation number 2 in equation number 1, we will get velocity. We know that in equation 1 here is velocity and on the right hand side it is r dot r cap plus r into r cap dot, this one. So, here it is theta dot into theta cap, because equation number 1, what is equation number 1? It is V is equal to r cap r dot r cap plus r into r cap dot. So, this r dot is acceptable, r dot, because it is derivative of magnitude, but it is a derivative of direction, that is unit vector. So, we have solved this value from equation number 2, and on putting the value of 2, this r cap dot in equation number 1, this is final velocity. So, velocity is equal to r dot r cap plus r theta dot theta cap. This is expression for velocity in plane polar system. We may write for symmetry as r dot means VR. So, I put the value of r dot as VR and second r theta dot as V theta. Or so, where r dot is VR and r theta dot is V theta. So, these are the two components of velocity along r side and along theta side. So, it is r component, it is theta component of velocity. For symmetry, we mostly write it as in two components. So, it is velocity is equal to this one Vr into r cap plus V theta into theta cap. So, this is actual formula for velocity, and its magnitude, we know that its magnitude is equal to square root of component of first, that is first component V r square plus second component V theta square, or on putting the value of V r and V theta, so we will get r dot square plus r theta dot whole square under root. This is magnitude of velocity. So, this one is magnitude of velocity. Similarly, we will calculate acceleration in plane polar system in the next lecture. So, thank you very much.